key? I said, yeah, man. It's the only key we've ever done it in. But I can feel his pain. I know what's up. The older we get, the higher these songs feel. They're ridiculous. I'm gonna have a word with my future self as soon as, my former self, as soon as the time machine is invented. It's the memory that goes first, isn't it, buddy? That's the reason we're wearing rainbow-colored jumpsuits, so he doesn't have to call us by name. He's just like, can I have more red in my monitor, please?
Mr. Pink.
So was it you who spoke the words that things would happen but not to me? Oh, things are gonna happen naturally. Oh, I'm taking your advice and I'm looking on the bright side and I'm balancing the whole thing. Oh, but oftentimes those words, they get tangled up in lines in the bright light turns to night. Oh, until the dawn it brings another day we'll sing about the magic that was you and me. 'Cause you and I both love what you and I spoke of. The others just repeat of the love of love. Others only dream of the love that I love them. I love it, ooh, come again. See, I'm all about them words, over numbers, unencumbered, unnumbered words. Hundreds of pages for words, more words than I had ever heard, and I feel so alive. Oh yeah, well, you and I, not so little you and I anymore. And with this silence brings a moral story, more importantly evolving. It's the glory of a boy, 'cause you and I both love what you and I spoke of. And others just reek it up. And you can see me now when I'm almost finally out of love. Well, I'm almost finally, well, I am free. Oh, that's me. And and it's okay if you had to go away. Oh, just remember the telephones when they're working both ways. And the more you follow through, there'll always be more left over with not so much explaining to do. And if ever you find true love, I'm gonna be your lifeline. I'll never miss your phone call. But if I never hear them ring, it's because text is better these days. Yeah, I wrote this song a long ways ago. And my friend Toca, he doesn't even have a modern phone. He's using the flip phone and doesn't text for shit. But I'm down with it. The flip phone rebellion. Flip phone rebellion. Flip phone rebellion. We're unplugging, y'all. We're taking it back. Flip phone rebellion. If nothing else, I think the bells inside it finally found you someone else. 'Cause you and I both love what you and I spoke of. And others just reek it up. And you could see me now when I'm almost finally out of. I'm finally out of. Finally, dee, 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 dee. Well, I'm almost finally, well out of words.